Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add music on CapCut, edit song for video. So if you want to add some music onto your videos on CapCut, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, we're currently onto CapCut's editor already, and we have added the video that we want to use. So for us to be able to go ahead and add in a music, so the first thing that we need to do is head here onto the upper part corner of the screen, and we should be able to find an audio. Click onto that, and right after, you should be able to find in the different music that is offered by CapCut. So this is the safest thing that you could do to add in this music, because if you try to add some music that are not copyrighted and if you upload it onto any platform such as YouTube, it will be taken down. So this is actually one of the easiest way that you could do it. Just go ahead and choose in a music that you want to use. So there are a lot of categories offered in here. You'll just have to choose onto which one you like, and then you'll just need to go ahead and simply select onto that to add this onto your video. Simply click onto the download option, this one, and once it is downloaded, you should be able to see a plus icon to add this to track. Now you could also adjust its duration. So let's simply cut this one here. And also if you click onto this here onto the right side, it will show the basic settings that you could adjust for your music. So you could adjust the volume, add in a fade in and fade out for that. Some of the options like loudness normalization, enhanced voice, you could also add in a noise reduction for that, vocal isolation, and you could also make changes onto its channels. And that is just basically it, how you add music on CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.